me doing any effort, right? Without my knowledge, without my control over those
Recall,
things.
go back to your childhood. A child doesn't know difference between a potty, urine, nor a attar which we are using. Who trained the child? Who trained the child? Mama trained the child. This is ugly. This is good. Right? So they are slowly got programmed. So the inputs, information starts getting into the mind right when we are from the childhood. So then the filters slowly start applying into the mind. We train the child. See, when a beggar comes, don't give amount to this kind of beggar. Give amount to this kind of beggar. For all people, give more respect. For a child, you can challenge them. So you are making that filters in someone else's mind. And when they follow, they act them into their mind. And that's how the programming of mind is done from the childhood.
Okay. Okay.
Do you remember?
So the storing of thoughts, knowledge, and belief are all both conscious and subconscious, right? It is not just one layer.
All data is stored in your subconscious, but which is consciously triggering you, which you feel like, it hurts me more or something, that comes into the top layer, that is your conscious mind. Okay. Which you give more priority. So all the priorities will lie in your conscious layer.
Okay, right.
Right? If you remember, in the previous session, we discussed about one lady, who was abused physically, mentally by her husband, but still she did not share anything with her parents or anyone. What was her belief? Abusing is quite common, and for that we need not do that much. From where she got that kind of belief? When she have seen in her childhood, men abusing a woman, she framed that belief like, it's okay that men can beat a woman. Right? So that's how the filter will do, and it makes you feel it's normal, it's not normal. And people kids who are grown very pampered, they can't even take one single word pointed out by some others.
Right.
If at all they say, they question also, they feel it to be abused. So this is how the filters and the mind gets programmed right from the childhood. Clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Done. Now we will just see how the emotions go. What are the different types of emotions? Subject-wise PPT. Then in the next session, we will connect the slokas with that. Okay. So these are the basic emotions which you all are aware of. Okay. But add to that negative emotions also. Negative emotions do impact our physical health as well. So we need to keep in mind what are the negative and positive emotions, and the emotions which are aligned with the present living, those are only love and compassion. Okay. So now do you think the expression of emotion is same with everyone? Because emotion cannot be seen unless it is expressed. And how it is expressed? In form of behavior. It could be verbal or non-verbal behavior, then only it can be seen. So children express this in different way. Teens express this in different way. Adults express these emotions in different way. So we cannot assume that sadness can be expressed only this way. Few people who are sad can express their sadness through anger, judging others, not eating food, or anything. So try to differentiate, whenever. No. Kindly mute yourself, please, unless you have a doubt. See, when I'm using PPT, it is difficult for me to screen this and keep them in mute. Only 4 or 5 participants list will come here. So whenever you are noticing others, whenever you are observing others, or whenever you are observing yourself, how your behavior is getting impacted by your emotion, I want you to have the connection between these two. So I want you all to track your emotions from past 1 week. Track only top 3 emotions that are bothering you, and in what kind of behavior you are expressing it. Can you list out them? List out.
Ma'am, this is not clear. Like, what is the emotion bothering you means what?
What is the emotion? Okay.
Oh.
Negative emotions.
Huh?
List out 3 negative emotions that you are carrying in the last week. 3 negative emotions that you are carrying in the last 1 week, and did it have impacted your behavior? If yes, what was your behavior because of your emotion?
Ma'am, that will happen only if you are going to express it to somebody.
That's why I'm asking. If at all it is there, you mention. If at all you did not express, don't mention.
See, basically, if you are not expressing and keeping it to ourselves and controlling them,
then write only your emotion. No, it is just as practice so that you will understand, like, emotion have impact on behavior, and this is how it has an impact on behavior. So practical observation can be done only on self, right? So I want you to observe yourself and make note of it, so that in future it will be helpful for you to observe others as well. Yes. I'll give you 5 minutes of time. Just think. And if at all you can just make note of even your kids or your spouse, your in-laws' emotions and their behavior also, you can chalk out. And make note of, do you remember, see here, like, do you express your emotions differently around different people? If yes, with whom, how do you?
Ma'am, in a case where I don't express and I keep it to myself, because there's some things that are just it is mine and not related to family or members in the family, right?
That's great.
For
That's
an
correct.
example, when it came to my career, right?
Yes.
So my career is just mine, and I don't have anything to share with my other members in the family. So I keep it to myself, right? As much, yes, there is a constant thinking that is going on in my head, but I don't have any behaviors as such or an action that I exhibit around the house. So how do I
That's
put
good.
this
Not
up?
like you're mature. That's the reason, like, you're not expressing and you're controlling your emotions, but still you have your emotions, right?
I do have those
Because of
emotions
the
going
thoughts
on
running in
inside
your
me.
mind. You're a mature soul. But normally what happens in everyone's life, do you remember, like, when we spoke about this conflict management, the displacement of emotions takes place.
Correct. I get that.
Right. So in
Yeah.
most of the times it happens. So when we are always working on self, when we are aware first, when we accept it, then we talk about transforming and having control. But when most of the time we are not aware, like, why my mood is off, why my emotion is not good, then obviously I show wherever it reflects, right?
Okay.
So how you are taking control over it or you're not able to take control over it matters. So you are in a state where you are able to control yourself.